Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2 has truly redefined the standards for compact drones, delivering an exceptional flying experience packed with innovative features. Right out of the box, the build quality impresses. The drone feels robust yet lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it easily escapes the heavier regulations, allowing for greater freedom in flying. The camera capabilities are one of the standout features. With a 48MP sensor and 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, you can capture stunningly clear images and smooth, high-resolution videos. The low-light performance is surprisingly good for a drone of this size, making it ideal for twilight shoots and capturing dynamic landscapes as the sun sets. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the footage beautifully, ensuring that your recordings remain steady even in windy conditions or during quick maneuvers. The inclusion of the DJI RC2 remote controller enhances the overall experience. The large, bright display provides excellent visibility even in direct sunlight, and the intuitive controls make it easy to navigate through the settings. The low-latency connection ensures a responsive flying experience, allowing for precise movements and quick adjustments in the air. Battery life is another strong point, with the Fly More Combo Plus providing multiple batteries that extend your flight time significantly. The additional propellers and charging hub included in the combo make it perfect for longer sessions without the hassle of frequent recharging. One of the most exciting features is the intelligent flight modes, such as Focus Track and Quick Shots, which allow you to effortlessly capture cinematic shots. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an outstanding investment for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts, delivering high-quality performance in a compact package. The combination of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and exceptional image quality makes it a top contender in the drone market.